Regulator-mounted flashback arrestors provide 3 to 4 level protection. Non-return valve. Flame arrestor. Pressure-sensitive cut-off valve. Temperature-sensitive cut-off valve. It fits easily into the regulator outlets with a range of connections suited for different gases and cylinder designs. These regulator-mounted flashback arrestors arrests and protects your property from catastrophic fire accidents and explosions that could occur through flashback. There are resettable flashback arrestors with reset button. It helps to reset the function in the event of small incidents as long as the flame doesn't enter the flashback arrestors. Watch the full series of videos for more information about safety in oxyfuel cutting.